It's a new 2019 Honda Odyssey. It's about bringing family together, staying connected along the way, and giving you that sense of home no matter where your journey takes you. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, remote engine start, driver memory seats, V6 engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Of the Odyssey, the Car Connection writes, it stands at the top of the minivan heap with more design flair and more driving enjoyment than most other three-row rivals. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. Take it for a test drive today.
It would be our absolute pleasure to serve you today. Sport Honda is located at 3271 Automobile Boulevard in Silver Spring, Maryland, in the Montgomery Auto Sales Park.